Dot plots are a graphical representation of data, characterized by the use of dots to demonstrate the frequency or magnitude of values in a dataset. This method of data visualization has its roots in history, dating back to 1884 when these graphs were drawn by hand in the pre-computer era. Such plots are particularly effective in depicting distributions of data points across different categories. Let's consider a simple dataset that represents the number of daily visitors to a small clinic over a week. The data is as follows. To plot the dot graph using MS Excel, open blank sheet in Excel. After opening the sheet, follow the below steps. Step 1. Write the above data on the sheet as shown below. Step 2. Go to menu and click on Insert. You will see different types of graphs. Step 3. Press Ctrl A to select the data, then click on the scatter or bubble chart as shown below. Step 4. Choose the first chart in the options provides. The dot chart will appear as below. This is the dot graph presenting the number of visitors on each day.